Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm unboxing the new 21 Cruise Collection Chanel boots. These are a distressed lambskin leather. They have a shine to them, so they sort of look patent leather, which I'm really excited about. I originally had my sales associate text me these and I was like, oh, those are super cute, but I wasn't sure. Then I saw them in person and I was like, oh my God, I have to have these. Luckily, she knew I'd changed my mind and hid them for me, so here they are. They're now mine. They are super soft to the touch, and I like that the leather looks sort of distressed, so like you don't have to worry about any creasings or things like that. They'll probably be broken in very easily, and on top of that, wear and tear won't show as much, especially with distressed leather. I love the chunky heel, the white striped piping around it, and that it's sort of like a rubbered heel. I almost feel like I can get away wearing these as rain boots also. Doesn't really rain that much here in LA, but I don't own a lot of shoes that are weatherproof, and I feel like these definitely I wouldn't mind wearing if it's raining outside. I like the mid heel. These are great for wearing all day. I definitely have more of a casual style, so these are awesome. Also like the side zipper because I do have a high instep and it makes it easier putting on shoes. And the leather lining inside is super soft. I am a true US 12, so these fit me a little bit snug around the toe, but I could still wiggle my toes, so I know they'll be broken in very easily. I'm super excited about these. My feet do feel really comfortable in them, so I'm not too concerned about them being a tad bit tight around the toes. Other than that, I feel like I'm really excited about these as a purchase and an addition to my closet. I suggest if they're still available, go ahead and make the splurge on these boots. They're totally worth it. Thank you guys for watching, and I'll see you guys next time at my next unboxing. Have a great week. And don't forget to follow me on Instagram and like to know it, and be sure to subscribe for more updates.